Chapter 4, The Art of Scientific Prayer, the Scene. Imagine standing at the edge of a vast canyon. You take a breath and speak a single word. Your voice echoes, rolling across the cliffs, carrying your sound to unseen spaces. And then it returns to you, amplified. This is the nature of true prayer. Not begging, not pleading, but declaring, precisely, clearly, so that the subconscious mind and the greater intelligence it connects to has no choice but to respond. The reframe. What prayer really is. Most people think of prayer as asking, "Please, let this happen." But that language comes from doubt, from the assumption that you don't already have what you desire. Scientific prayer is different. It's not a request, it's a command. It's aligning your imagination, your feeling, and your words into one clear decree. Your subconscious mind doesn't respond to begging. It responds to certainty, to pictures, to emotion, to repetition. When those elements combine, you are not asking for something to happen. You are instructing reality to obey. The ritual of scientific prayer. Let's walk through it now. 1. Enter the state. Close your eyes. Breathe deeply. Feel your body sink into a calm, receptive state. As you exhale, release doubt. As you inhale, invite clarity. 2. Form the image. In your mind, see the outcome you desire. Vivid, colorful, alive. Not someday, but now. Feel the texture of it, the sounds, the emotions. Imagine living it, not waiting for it. 3. Anchor the feeling. As you immerse in the vision, press thumb and finger together. Whisper a word of power, such as done or now. Anchor the state into your body. 4. Speak the command using the present tense. Declare with authority, I am healthy and strong. I am abundantly provided for. I am love in action. Not I will be, not please, but I am. 5. Release and trust. Imagine the command echoing into the subconscious, into the universe itself. Then let it go, as if planting a seed in fertile soil. You don't dig up a seed to check if it's growing. You trust the process. A man once approached Joseph Murphy saying, I keep praying, but nothing changes. Murphy asked, How do you pray? The man replied, I beg God every night to give me success. Murphy smiled. Then you are affirming lack. You are commanding failure. Stop asking. Begin declaring. Within weeks of shifting from please to I am, the man's subconscious aligned with success, and doors began to open. And as you hear these words, you might notice how natural it feels to declare with certainty, how your body responds when you say, I am, instead of I hope. And isn't it fascinating that the subconscious cannot tell the difference between an imagined reality vividly felt and an external reality physically lived? So the moment you declare with feeling, your subconscious acts as if it is already true and begins reorganizing your life to reflect the new decree. Practical exercise. Daily scientific prayer. 1. Choose 3 commands. Write 3 clear, present tense statements of what you desire. Health, abundance, peace. 2. Morning ritual. Each morning, close your eyes, build the vision, feel it, anchor it, and declare each command 3 times. 3. Evening ritual. Repeat before bed, so the subconscious can carry the decree into your night mind, which we'll explore in Chapter 6. 4. Trust. Release attachment to how it happens. Your role is command. The subconscious role is obedience. Prayer is not begging. Prayer is commanding with faith. When image, feeling, and word unite, your subconscious mind bows in obedience, and the universe rearranges itself to fulfill your decree. Because your word is law.